You can see spots where it's, it's pretty good.
Yes.
Yeah, I think we'll leave it off for now.
Also this before high and now low.
Typical.
Yes.
But it's not really low.
Actually no problem, but I want they grow first, darling.
Yeah.
If they grow, okay, no problem about water, But now if water still all the time like this, there will be no grow.
Oh, I think in a couple of days it'll stop. It'll dry up.
Maybe.
So I think we'll leave it open.
Yep.
Let it dry.
Oh, actually last night rained too much.
Yeah. Yeah, probably a little too much rain, darling.
Yes.